cops. Let me just put on my mask. Okay. A quick little wave at the cops. Hey guys, Richard Butler here with another video, and today I am doing my second attempt at recording some outside footage for the Akaso, I can never pronounce it, Akaso Keychain 4K vlogging camera. Now this camera is, I guess, the closest competitor to the Insta360 Go, or that's what they want you to believe. Now apologies, I have the mask down and I'll put it up if anybody walks by, but this is meant to be like the Insta360 Go. It's small, it's portable, but what they sold it on, and I bought this on crowdfunding, what they actually sold it on was the ability to record for 1 hour continuously. The Insta360 Go only records for 1 or 2 seconds, and of course the size of it, that it's nice and small, it's easy to use, etc. So I picked it up and it arrived the other day. I'll do the unboxing later on in the video. But the question is this camera any good or is it a piece of shit? Let's be honest. Now, this has all been recorded via the actual camera, and so is the audio. So the first thing I want to talk to you about, the audio is not great. The audio, there tends to be like a whirring sound, as if, I don't know, there's a machine going on in the background. Now I don't know whether that can be fixed with an update or not. What I do like is that you have this app which has a live preview, so I can actually see what's going on. Now today in Barcelona, if I pan around, you can see it's actually a lovely day, so conditions are pretty ideal. Now what I think this camera could be very good at, and we'll see when I go into post-production, is as a B-roll camera. I don't think the voice is that good, but if you wanted B-roll without being too conspicuous, I think this could work. So let's just pan around there and let me check and see how we're doing. So you can see where I am. You can see I'm just watching this here, and as we continue you'll see that it probably just gets different colors. Now the thing is that with this camera, one thing I found is exporting the videos can be really slow, but this is something that I wanted to do now. I wanted to do a pan up here of a wall that I really like. Yes, a wall, how interesting. That is always changing because of graffiti. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this around here and we're going to do like what would be B-roll shot. So I don't know if this is still picking me up, but what you can actually see is you can actually see the graffiti there. And if I were just to zoom in, I think it'd be quite good for B-roll. Now if I were to go like that, now this is the only problem with the camera, that it won't actually twist around when I actually turn it upside down, whereas the Insta360 Go does do that. So I'm not sure how that will turn out. So as a B-roll camera, I think this could work. I'm not going to use it as a main camera, but for example, there's a lot of wind there. When I'm actually just maybe recording videos or editing videos, I could have this up. Oh, here are the cops. Let me just put on my mask. Okay. A quick little wave at the cops. They looked at me, wondering what I was doing with this camera and who I was. Okay, so they are gone. I'll pull down my mask, but if they come down and my mask is down, I'll get in trouble. Okay, when I did go to actually record yesterday, what actually happened was the camera froze. So I don't think the camera is probably as good quality as Insta360 Go. I mean, I don't think it's built as well. Okay, both of them are built in China, but Insta360 Go just have that edge on it. The sound is horrendous. Now, what you're listening to is, I would have reprocessed the sound and tried to remove some of the actual background noise, so it should sound a little bit better. But you may hear just a whirring sound right there. When I was walking, that was just a car engine. Software is okay. It works well enough. Oop, I see the cops coming around again. Software is okay, it works well enough, and battery life seems to be okay. It seems to be running quite well. However, and this is a big however, one of the challenges is downloading the content can be quite slow, because it processes the content. It downloads it from the camera, then it processes it in the app, and finally it gives you the actual finished video. So this video could take maybe 15 minutes to process. But as I say, I do like that I can monitor what's going on here. I've been recording in 4K, so let's see how this goes. And what I'll do is I'll export all of this, and well, we'll see the results. So any questions, as always, let me know in the comments below. And there is a link to Amazon if you wish to pick up this camera. And you let me know what your thoughts are about this.